This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by tina.mabry. Unrestricted wooded tract fronting paved county road offers gentle, rolling terrain, beautiful hardwood trees, and small branch. Mountain views could be opened up with trimming, and power is accessible from County Road West/easy area to cut-in driveway for access to private building spots. Drive a short distance to Carter's Lake for fishing or hiking. Conveniently located just 12 minutes from Ellijay, with easy access to Highway 411, Dalton, Chattanooga. For more information, review the details below or contact tina.mabry at 706-273-4317.